What's happening, everybody? We're here in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina to eat at Crab Daddy's. If you're not sure where that's located, it's right here on Highway 17, Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. Let's go get something to eat. Look at the mural on the wall here, outside. Lord, first of all, look at all the sea life to scale. You want a piece of me? So this place is a buffet, but if you don't want the buffet, they also have individual items that you can order, like the chicken wings for $14.99. like the clam strips for $12.99, deviled crabs, oysters on the half shell, as well as you can just go ahead and get the surf and turf for $28.99, and all these other delicious items. All right, so our son got the steak, cheese sticks, and onion rings.
So they have fish sticks and cheese sticks up there.
So I got the crab legs, the chicken wings, the shrimp, oysters and clams, and look at that delicious butter. Yum, yum. Look at that delicious salad.
Side salad. Okay.
Nah, that's a lot of salad. And if you don't want the buffet, you can go ahead and order, like we said, off the menu. Get you a steak, French fries, a salad. Yum, yum, yum. All right, show us how it's done, Brennan.
Oh, you pulled the stem out of that. It makes it a lot more simple. You got more?
Oh, you hear that crack?
Hold it up to it. Good night. She got more. So overall, how does it taste? Pretty good?
Delicious. Yeah.
Delicious. Good? So every 20 minutes or so, these sea animals, the restaurant comes to life under the sea with the animatronics. Brand new at Crab Daddy's. They just put all these up in July.
It's short.
It's a whale shark.
What a way to entertain the children while they're eating.
Oh, look at these things. Gorgeous here. Here's what the kids look like when it happens. All right, that was Crab Daddies right here in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. We ate everything we could eat.
And more.
And more. And we
Lots
ate
more.
and we ate so long, it's nighttime. So when you get down here to Murrells Inlet and you're looking for something for your family, some good, delicious food, make sure you try Crab Daddies. It's right here in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. And don't forget your coupons. And as always, keep beaching. Look at the baby dolphin.